Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to delete history from a school Chromebook. It is important to understand that school-managed devices have specific limitations regarding privacy. We will cover methods to clear your local browsing data and discuss how these actions relate to your school's monitoring capabilities. This guide aims to provide clear, actionable steps for managing your browsing. To clear your browsing data, first open the Chrome browser. Look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner and click it. From the drop-down, select More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data. A new window will appear. Here, you can choose a time range like all time and ensure browsing history and cookies and other site data are selected. Finally, click Clear Data to complete the process. Understanding the ranking system is vital for progression. Your goal is to achieve good or cool ratings for your performance. Receiving bad or awful ratings means your timing was off, and too many of these will lead to failure. To reach cool status, try freestyling by adding your own creative button presses, but only when the game allows. This adds a fun, challenging layer to the gameplay. It is vital to understand that school Chromebooks are managed devices. This means your school's IT department often has the ability to monitor all browsing activity, regardless of whether you delete local history. Deleting data from your device does not remove records stored on the school servers. Always review and adhere to your school's acceptable use policy, as it outlines what is permissible and what is not on their network and devices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.